When the inequality is graphed, how much of each quadrant will be in the shaded area? So if we take a look at our function, notice that this has a reflection across the x-axis as well as a reflection across the y-axis. So if we have our parent function, so if we just think about our parent function alone, that's our parent function, that's square root of x. Okay, if we reflected it across the x-axis, we'd have negative square root of x. Okay, so that would be down here. And then if we reflected it again across the y-axis, this would be negative square root of negative x. So notice the value on the outside as well as the inside of the square root has a negative. So that's a reflection across the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so if we take this basic parent function and we take a look at it, so reflected across both, it says y is greater than. Okay, so we're going to include the values that are greater than this line. Okay, so these are all the values up here. Okay, notice I'm not shading to the right of the y-axis because the values start here and only go to the negative values of x. Okay, so I cannot cross the y-axis. Okay, so taking a look at this picture, I have nothing shaded in the first quadrant. I have nothing shaded in the fourth quadrant. There's a partial shading in the third quadrant. Okay, and the second quadrant here at the top left-hand corner is completely shaded.